TikTok account suspended, the survival guide. So your account is gone, but not forever. So understanding what triggered it, avoid critical mistake, and craft an appeal that actually works. So why you were flagged, community guidelines, adult, violent, dangerous, or hateful content, even borderline cases get flagged. Automated flag, mass flowing, fake engagement, or bot-like activity triggers system level bans. Copyrights like unauthorized music or clips outside TikTok official library results in immediate action. Identity issue, an AI detected underage status or mismatched account details can suspend your profile. So, three deadly mistakes. Deleting the flag video. You destroyed only evidence human moderation need to review your case level. Leave it exactly as is. Creating a new account, TikTok detects your device ID and IP address. New accounts are flagged as ban evasion, making things worse. Spamming appeals, multiple rapid requests, signal spam behavior, and drastically lower your credibility with the review team. The master appeal, your 300-word case, identifies, state the exact policy, violated, cited, and suspension notification, be precise, context, private, provide a factual, emotionless explanation of why flag content is actually complaint, evidence, attach original creation files, timestamp, and screenshot of your account history. Commitment, close with one sentence, affirming you understand the guidelines and will comply going forward. So resolution and future proofing, timeless. Temporary suspension, lift automatically. Permanent appeals take 7 to 14 days for review. 24 hours rule, submit your single strong appeal within 24 hours or notification for best results. The firewall, avoid third-party automation tools. Maintain distinct, isolated account environments. If your appeal is denied, wait 30 days before submitting new evidence. Never abandon official process. Persistence done correctly pays off. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, sabi na ako sa guys. Hope ito as soon as possible. And thank you guys.